Lahini's Storyland, Puppie and the Strange Noise. Story by Nanila. Illustration by Grandpa Mohan. My name is Puppie. I heard a noise in the night. I am very scared. It was very loud and strange. I wonder what it is. I will ask Squeaky. Maybe she knows what it is. Hi, Squeaky. Did you hear any noise last night? Hi, Puppy. Yes, I heard it. I was very scared. What did you do then? I went inside my tree hole. It is my safest place. I wonder what Snaily did. She is petrified of loud noises. I will ask her. Snaily, did you hear a strange noise? Yes, Puppy. Did you hear it too? Yes, I heard it loud and clear. What did you do, Snaily? With fear, I went inside my shell. It is my safest place. I wonder what Kitty did. She is terrified of loud sounds. I will ask her. Hi, Kitty. Did you hear a loud noise last night? Yes, I did. I got scared, but I was very brave. Really? What did you do? I closed my eyes. I am very brave, right? I wonder what Rabbit did. She is afraid of loud noise. I didn't know that. I will ask her. Hi, Rabbit. Did you hear a loud noise last night? Hi, Puppy. Did you hear it too? I got very scared. What did you do then? I hid inside my burrow. This is my safest place. I wonder what Owlie did. She is afraid of loud sounds. I did not know that. I will check Owlie too. Hi, Owlie. Did you hear a strange, loud noise? Yes, Puppy, I heard it. I got so scared that I went inside my nest. My nest is my safest place. I wonder what Lahini did. I will ask her, Owlie. Lahini, you look happy. Yes, Puppy, it is a great morning, right? Didn't you hear a noise last night? A very strange and loud noise? Yes, I heard a loud noise last night. I got so scared. I asked Squeaky, Snaily, Rabbit, Owlie, Kitty, and they were scared too. There is nothing to be scared of, Puppy. Were you not scared? I did hear the noise, but without being afraid, I stayed calm and found out what it is. What? It was thunder. Thunder? Yes. Ha 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 ha. We all got so scared of the sound of thunder. What did you learn today? We should not be scared of sounds. All we have to do is stay calm to know what or who is making that noise, just like you. Good job, Puppy. Thanks, Lahini.
Hey friends, there are so many books from Lahini Storyland. To get this book, click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching.